Good evening, everyone. This is Miss Steph coming at you with another Friends of Science Club video. I'm here for those of you who do not already follow me. You might not recognize this space, but this is B5 in Bronx House up on Pelham Parkway. We just finished our first class of the week. We're here Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday every week throughout the school year teaching STEM. And of course, because we believe in arts education as well. Anytime I'm in a space, I'm sprinkling some of the A into what we do. So anywho, let's talk a little bit about this hour of code activity that we're doing this week with some of our Bronx House students. We are learning some key terms. We've got code, program, algorithm, and run. And our students are going to do an offline activity and online activities depending on what age group they are in here at Bronx House. So our offline activity is what we did today. It's essentially a robot friend activity. I did not coin that name. I did not create this lesson, but I do teach it. And so the objective is to really get students to understand the importance of each and every single step being recorded in your programming. Thinking like a computer scientist involves making sure that you understand what you want the computer program to do, what you want your character to do if it's in a game, or what you want the capacity to be able to be at. And so to be able to have a robot friend, say a robot hand, take some cups and build a stack of cups like we have here. We have our sample stack right here, and we have our sample program. To be able to make this, okay, we use this code key, okay, to write this program, okay, to be able to make this stack, right? And so our activity really can be altered in so many ways. You need some plastic cups, pencils, and something to write on. That's all you need. You do not need computers and fancy tablets, so on and so forth. And so if you're trying to do an activity with your students and you want them to be introduced to STEAM in a fun and interesting way, and if you want them to say, hey, to do some coding, to think like a computer programmer who needs to be able to put a set of steps together for a program for a robot to run, this is a great activity. Again, this is my robot friend, or there's a couple other names for it. And once again, I did not create the activity, but I definitely have been using it and altering it over the years. So that's what we did today at Bronx House, and I look forward to giving you all a shout out and to doing some other videos later this week as we tackle the hour of code, as we participate in Computer Science Education Week. Thanks for tuning in.